All right, is this working? Slightly different video right now. I'm gonna do a tips video, and in this one, I'm gonna show you how I did my GoPro selfie battery hack that I posted on Instagram a few days ago. And I'm gonna go over the whole setup and a couple improvements that I just made to make it even better. With this setup, I'm shooting way faster, mobility is way easier, and I'm never running out of battery, which is awesome. So let me show you the setup right now. So the first thing I did was to order a right angle USB plug. Just keep watching, I'll explain the whole setup. I took a knife and narrowed down the sides of the USB plug. Because the way it came, it was just too fat for it to fit into the USB port of the GoPro. I then used a 10,000 milliamp battery for power. I would look for one with at least one flat side. You'll see why shortly. I then took a 3M VHB GoPro flat mount and stuck it on the flat side of the battery. Once it's stuck there for good. After that, I took a GoPro buckle clip and used that to clip into the flat mount. Next, I took the GoPro mount screw and screwed it into the plastic frame mount. After that, I could safely click it into the flat mount of the battery. Next, I popped the GoPro into the frame mount and screwed it in securely. So this is the GoPro selfie screen. It normally clicks into the back of the GoPro with this plug. And this is what it looks like with the normal setup with the screen add-on. And this is the crappy stock photo of the selfie screen add-on. Now the problem with this adapter is that they designed it in a way while you can see what you're doing, you can't plug in external power. So with a simple hack, I fixed this problem. So I unscrewed the adapter and cut a space for the GoPro mount as far away as the ribbon for the screen mount would let me. And it was just enough space to attach the selfie adapter to the GoPro and have enough space to plug in the USB cable. Once plugged into the GoPro, you can plug the other end into the battery for power. Now you can plug in the selfie screen with plenty of room for the cable and use it as it was intended. And finally, here is the spring-loaded tripod mount for the battery. You just slide the battery in and screw it into the tripod. And boom, there it is, all assembled. So there you have it, super easy, super cheap setup. The thing that I really liked about the setup was I could see what I was shooting and I didn't have to worry about running out of power, which is huge. So I hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and hit the little bell notification every time you want to get notified when I drop a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.